talking.
I need to get... Okay.
Lift your tip up. Tip up. What do you got? Talk to me. What do you got, Jake?
I got a big whopper.
Come on.
And it's getting me. Ah.
How many fish you caught today?
6.
6.
Ah.
Lift up. Keep your tip up. Is it a monster?
Yes. Ah. Okay, I'm in it.
Come on, keep your tip up.
I can't. Okay, what is this thing?
Keep fighting it. You see any color? Lift your tip up. Easy. What do you think you got?
A big whopper.
Let's see. Keep reeling. Let's see. Keep reeling. You fighting back?
Yeah.
I don't see him yet. I don't see him. Keep on reeling.
Okay, Daddy. Pretty hard.
Whoa, a duck quacked.
Daddy. Okay, I'm in it. This is big.
Lift up a little bit.
I am.
Easy, easy.
Daddy.
You fighting back?
But I can't take it.
Easy, Jake, easy. Okay. Don't break your line, easy.
I'm breaking my line.
Reel in. Easy, just lift your tip up, easy. Good job.
Big fishy.
Good job. Okay, hold on. Jake, hold on.